reflected in the government that we will form. There will be no discrimination in the party that we will be going to, because the Constitution requires that a party is reflective of the national face, or has a face that is national. And you can look at our histories, you know. Leopards don't change their sports, they say. You can actually look at the history of the leadership in Linda Mwananchi and see that it is a diverse leadership and that nobody will be discriminated against. As we speak, our lawyers are in the Political Parties Disputes Tribunal because we took the registrar to court to say that we do not believe that he has reasons to deny us the name. But I want to be clear here. What we are fighting for is not a party. We have parties. We are fighting for our brand, our name. So what we will do, because somebody asked whether the party is ready, we have many, many options, because this Kasongo thinks he's dealing with children. And I said in Kakamega that we are students of Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga had plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, mpaka Z. Kwani tulilala class? Sasa jamaa wanasemanga akifunga mlango tunaingia na dirisha. So nyinyi kaeni mkijua chama ziko, tunataka brand yetu, because we have built this thing. You guys have worked so hard to build Linda Mwananchi. People have lost their lives, bana, because of Linda Mwananchi. We want the registrar to give us our name, and we will brand it on whatever party that we choose out of the ones that we have. Then there was a question on manifestos. First, as an aspirant, please understand